Today we'll talk about how can you add a gift card on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on my wallet. When you just click here on my wallet here, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on add gift card. When you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you like this. You click here on or enter the card code, and here can you enter it here, and you click here on validate, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.